I'm declaring it pizza night in the Rogers house. Welcome back, folks, and like I said in the intro, it's pizza night in the Rogers house, and we're doing a homemade pizza. We're doing it inside because, well, it's way dark already, and it's been kind of a nasty cold day, so not as much rain as I thought we was going to get, but still kind of nasty. I don't know how many of you, I'm assuming everyone has Papa John's in their area, and one of the pizzas we get once in a while from Papa John's is, the wife and I love their Zesty Italian pizza. And tonight I'm gonna do my version of that pizza. So let's get going, guys. Kiddos decorating their own little pepperoni pizza.
Pizza.
Alright, let's get the kiddos in the oven and we'll get busy making our Zesty Italian. Let's get to building this thing. Got some flour left in that last pizza. Throw a little bit on my pizza pan. You know, I don't get too crazy. I just use the Jiffy pizza crust. I actually use like 1.5 boxes if we're going a little bit bigger pizza. Oh, that made a mess. I'm not an expert with dough, but I think I've come a long ways. Get this on our pan. As I said, I've come a long way, now I'm making a mess. It's alright, it's gonna be good, folks. It's gonna be good. Just some store-bought sauce, guys. I can't say that. Contadina, whatever. I ain't sure what that is. This is always a controversy over here. I like a lot of sauce, but I think I'm the only one here that does, so we try to work out a compromise. We'll just play it by ear. I think that's enough to satisfy me and everybody, so we'll go with that right there. I've used a lot of different Italian seasonings, but to date, this Rome is Burning by Tango Spice Company is my favorite. And I'm getting low, so Joe, you might be getting an order here pretty soon. He adds a little chipotle powder. Brings us up to about a medium heat on here. I don't add a lot, but it does add so much extra flavor. Now, Papa John's uses a 3-cheese blend, and I don't really know what that cheese or 3-cheese blend is. But I'm gonna come in here with some provolone. Put one in the middle for good measure. Just some mozzarella straight from the bag. I know it's better to grind your own, or grate your own rather. This is where we're going tonight. We'll come in here with some pepperoni. That looks good. The Zesty Italian pizza needs some salami, right? This one does. That's some thicker cut. I like it. Good there. That's some mild Italian sausage going on here too, guys. I don't think that restaurant, I don't think they put as much toppings on as I am. That's okay, ain't it? I'm just going on with it. That's about a half a pound of Italian sausage. And Here's the zesty part. These are banana peppers, guys. This is what sets this pizza off. I've never done a homemade one, so I'm really curious to see how mine compares. I'm guessing it's gonna do pretty good. Let's just top this thing off with a little extra cheese on top. Now, I'm just using the 2 cheese blend tonight. The provolone and the mozzarella. I don't want to get too carried away. Looks like I already have. Alright, here we go in. About 13 to 15 minutes. I'm cooking this about 470 degrees. And 15 minutes later, one zesty Italian pizza. Let's cut this thing. Wow, I didn't do a very good job on that. Look at that beautiful thing. All right, let's see how we did here. So my comparison is Papa John's Zesty Italian pizza. So I already know I got more toppings than what they put, but we'll see. It's not identical, which I wasn't really trying to do identical. I was just trying to get that concept going. That is good. Got a banana pepper in that one. That is awesome. That is so good, guys. If you're looking for a different flavor, different taste in your pizza, give this one a shot. Just make it your own. That's what I say with all homemade pizzas, and that's what I do every time. That is one more just for you. I love that pizza. It's one of the reasons we ordered that from Papa John's, and I think this is actually better. It's obviously it's got more topping, more fresh. So, guys, thank you. Thanks for joining us for another family dinner, and that's what I bring to you is family dinners. So until next time, God bless you, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.